Actually, when I started, the situation was very dismal, and rural areas had no toilets, any house. Urban areas, only few towns, about 15, had a sewage treatment plant, and 85% houses used to be cleaned by the untouchables. So, situation was very grim at that time. My contribution is that I invented the technologies which had helped and shown the way to India how they can stop defecation in the open and eradicate manual cleaning of night soil. At present, about 1.1 million houses still have bucket toilets cleaned by untouchables. The number is varying, but you see roughly about 50,000 people still left who clean and carry human excreta. In 1961, there were 3.5 million untouchables. So it has decreased to a large extent. And then, in the toilets also, now 60% houses have bucket toilets, flush toilets in the houses. If you start from the very beginning, Indians started defecating open from the very beginning of civilization. The cleaning of bucket toilets started in Vedic period, and they were called untouchables. That continued the Buddha period, Mauryan period, Mughal period, and British period. When British came to India, they brought with them the septic tank technology and sewerage system. Till now, only 162 towns and cities out of 7,935 towns have the sewage treatment plant. Out of 7,935. And in how many years? 142 years. So by this technology, it was not possible to end the practice of defecation in the open and also the manual cleaning of human excreta by the people, called untouchables. So I had to invent the technologies which are appropriate, affordable, indigenous, and culturally acceptable. We have implemented these technologies on large scale. We have implemented about 1.2 million in the houses and 8,000 in public places, and shown to the country that by doing so, you can help to stop defecation in the open and the manual cleaning. What is important for the people to know that these technologies of 2-pit 4-flush toilet, we say Sulabh flush toilet, and the biogas digester in public toilets, where you can get to biogas for cooking, for lighting, converting into energy, and to supply the street light. These two technologies can help to achieve the Millennium Development Goals. By the sewage system, you cannot achieve. I say categorically, because by sewage system, Asia, Africa, Latin America, they cannot achieve. So this is most important. The technologies which we have developed, good enough for your country, Germany also, and to European countries, because we use a device where only 1 liter water required to flush, whereas in septic tank or sewer system we require 10 liters to flush per use. And so you can save enormous quantity of water for flushing. Also, it helps to reduce the global warming and hence the climate change, because we don't allow the methane gas to go outside in the atmosphere. So we burn the methane. And also it gives biofertilizer. There is great demand in the entire world to use biofertilizer instead of chemical fertilizers. So these things are also good for even the developed nations like your country. But what is important? Important is you will have to create missionaries of sanitation who could be able to implement them. At present, people are engaged, and what is very good, when I started, people never wanted to talk about toilets. But now the situation has changed. People are talking about toilets. And somebody say, we have dreams for this. And the dream which I had seen is 1968. This year, Bill Gates came here and he said, toilet is my dream. I was very happy to hear this statement, that what I had dreamed in 1968, now he is dreaming in 2012. So that way, I think the sanitation is very important subject. And I think 3 years back in London, out of 11,000 doctors, 2,000, roughly 2,000, they voted for sanitation, the most important subject. Pediatrics came later on and penicillin third. So that way, sanitation is very important. But here, we are not a storyteller. We have invented the technology, implemented them, and shown to the world. And we have kept them free from patents. Anyone, anybody in their own country can adopt these technologies and can help to solve the problems of sanitation. Especially, I told you, I repeat, Africa, Asia, and Latin America.